millionaires that have risen up in recent times have grown because they leverage digital products. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 different digital products that you can start as a complete beginner. That I'm going to share with you ideas that maybe you never thought about, and these are things that are making people millions of dollars. All the ideas I'm going to be giving you in this video are not saturated. So there are things that you can start even from today. What are digital products? These are products that you can create once, post them on the internet, and then somebody can buy over and over. Unlike physical product, let's say for example, I'm selling this laptop. It's a physical product, right? Assuming that I have 100 laptops. If I sell 10, only 90 will be remaining. And if I sell 99, only 1 will be remaining. Unlike digital product, the sale of 1 doesn't affect the sales of 1,000. So if you have a digital product, you create it and you post it online, even 1 million people can still buy that digital product. It's still going to be exactly that same product. That is why it's so amazing for you to learn these skills, how to be able to create and make money with digital product. And this is something that is easy. Anybody can do it. And you can do this anywhere from around the world. So long as you have internet, you are able to do this. All the ideas I'm going to be giving you in this video are not saturated. So there are things that you can start even from today. I just want you to carefully take your time so that you'll be able to make the right decision. You need to put in some sacrifices. You need to put in some time. You need to put in some effort in order for you to be able to create a high quality product. Because of low barrier of entry, anybody can create a digital product and put online and start selling. And so for you to be able to stand out, you need to make higher quality products that will attract buyers to be able to buy your products. So the first product I'm going to share with you is anything that has to do with vision board. For example, if you look at this video that I already did, I was showing you step by step how to create a vision board book. That's something that is not saturated. The truth is, people are always trying to change their life. People are always trying to improve on themselves. So anything that has to do with vision board, anything that has to do with something that relates to people's vision, something that will lead to improvement, is always going to sell. Because people keep growing, people keep improving on themselves, that is something that will never go out of market. So that's something that you can start creating. There are so many different things. You can create vision board kits, you can create vision board templates, all those things, you know, especially when the year is coming to an end, you see people start making so many decisions because they want to change their lives. And so you can be that person to be creating all those things that will aid those people to make those decisions for them. The second idea where you are going to make a lot of money, which is not saturated, is anything that has to do with wedding. You know, when people are getting married, they are so excited. And so if you create any high quality product that is going to make their life easier, for example, you can create a step-by-step guide, all the things that they need to be able to make that amazing wedding, right? Then they will not need to think, because they have everything at the same place. You just create everything for them. You can create wedding games. You can create bridal shower games. Those things will never go out of demand. People are always buying those things. People are always getting married. So they'll always buy those things. So go ahead and create those things. You can check out this video that I already did showing you step by step how to do them. The next thing I want to talk about is anything that relates to babies. People are always giving birth. There is no time, like the birth rate, just as I'm talking now, people have given birth. It's always an exciting moment for families, for moms, for aunties. You can create digital products that is welcoming this baby. You can create baby announcement. You can create anything. Like you see, you can even do something like print on demand. Older kids having t-shirts that is saying, I'm expecting a baby. All those kind of things. Anything that has to do with giving birth, anything that has to do with babies, when you create those things, you will always be in high demand. And one thing that I want you to know is that the best way to go about it is actually to create a brand. And I've actually already shown you in this video, step by step, how to be able to create your brand. The next thing I want to talk about is anything that has to do with social media. Social media kits, because people are busy. They need all these social media things that they can use to easily post, to talk about their businesses. So now, if you create templates, social media templates, so if you look at this ones on Etsy, you'll be able to see how this is being done. So go ahead and create social media templates, and you can sell them on Etsy. You can sell them on your own website on Shopify. For some reason, I don't know, every time when I say Shopify, my children really laugh at me. Tell me down below. Let me know if I'm not pronouncing it well. So when you create those kind of products, they will always be in demand because many people are starting their businesses. Many people are trying to grow, improve on themselves. And so that's something that you will always have sales. The next thing I want to talk about is personalized items. So when you say anything that is personalized, the first thing, what are these things? For example, let's say you create a children's book, right? And in that children's book, there is a character in that book whose name is Sam. And so you can personalize it in a way that even if somebody is buying that book for their children, maybe for a birthday, their child's name is David, personalize it in a way that you are able to put David in that book. Just the fact that you made that difference is going to take you a little bit more time because you are going to post the mock-up online. And when people buy it, you are now going to go and change Sam into David. And so you personalize it. That is an amazing gift for people, right? If you give somebody a gift and that book is personalized or that item is personalized, it makes it have so much value. And so people are willing to pay more for items like that. People are willing to pay more for books like that. So you can check out these ones on Etsy and you'll be able to understand exactly what I mean. The next thing that you can sell online is printable planners. Any planner that has to do with something that is related to health, wealth, and relationship. So these planners could be like with relationship. It could be something that is helping them to plan their meals. It can be something that is helping them to plan their days, plan their activity, plan things in their home, plan their business, any kind of planner. And I've actually shown you in this video how to design those kind of things. So you can go ahead and create any kind of planner. Those things are always in demand because people are always wanting to organize themselves. People are always wanting to change their life. One of the things that I started selling online is schedules, and I still have them. And I created those things a long time ago, and from time to time I still have sales from those schedules that I created years ago. It's just because I'm no longer interested in that niche because I've evolved, I've grown, and there are many other things that I have learned that I am doing. But when you create those things, you keep selling them for a very long period of time. You can create things like prayer journals, things that is going to help people to grow their relationship with God, things that is going to help people to be able to study their Bible, things that will help them to exercise. Go ahead and create any kind of planner. The next digital products that you can sell is digital planners. So if you look at this video that I showed you, now with internet, many people have digital planners they just use on their tablet. It could just be exactly the planner that you are creating for maybe prayers. Any kind of planner, you can create it, but you are going to put the links there and it's going to be digital so that they can use it electronically. So you can watch this video. I already showed you step by step how to be able to create a digital planner. And overcomers, when you have learned all this knowledge, anything that you have done for some time and you've grown from point A to point B, let's assume that you take just one of these planners, right, and you do them over and over. You start making money from those planners. You understand exactly how to do it. Now there'll be somebody behind you who is willing to get to that point where you are, and now you can create a digital product, which is a course. You can create a course and then help people to easily live from point A to point B. Personally, at this point in my career, I've seen that time is very valuable. So I don't personally want to waste time and watch videos over and over, start trying to figure out. It was then, right? Right now, I've learned that my time is very important. And so when I want to learn something, I just look for a course. Somebody who has already done that thing, left from point A to point B. I just look for it. I follow it step by step so that I'll be able to get that kind of result, right? And so now when you have gone through that, you can create a course and also sell, and that is another digital product. And so we are talking about course. If you are interested in buying my KDP course, I'm going to put it down below. That course will help you to learn how to create your own books, how to market your books, how to get reviews, everything that you need to know in order for you to be able to actually sell that product. And so overcomers, I encourage you to click next on this video, and this video is going to walk you through step by step how to create a digital product. I want you to go down below and let me know which digital product you are going to start with. If you are interested to learn more and if you want to work with me one-on-one, we have limited spots and we have a form down below that you can fill out. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for becoming a part of the family. I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down.